Okay, I think I've done this intro, I don't know, I don't even know how many times. I just keep stopping and starting and stopping and starting. But, you know, practice makes perfect, right? That's right, because I'm a new YouTuber and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm still learning. Hi, it's Maria from OneCraftChick, and today I am going to do something a little bit different. Instead of my normal crafting tutorial, I am going to participate in Christina from the Purple Alphabet's challenge right now. It's not really a challenge. I guess it's a collaboration. Anyway, that's why I'm participating, and that might be how you found my channel today. So thank you for stopping by. If you haven't checked out Christina's channel, you just happen to have found my channel, please check out her content. She does hauls and she does educational activities. She just has a really easy kind of laid back style. She's so sweet and personable. So please just go and see her if you didn't start there. Please do. And please check out some of the other YouTubers who are also newer YouTubers, so you gotta kind of forgive us all because we're all new and we're all just learning this thing. So my three favorite mom things are experiences. These are experiences that I enjoy sharing with my children. It's part of what right now I'm loving about being a mom. So my children I have two girls and they are 7 and 5, so a first grader and a preschooler. And right now, one of my favorite things to do with my girls and my husband, I suppose, because, you know, it's family dinner night. I really enjoy it because my girls talk about, you know, sometimes I don't want to talk very much, but sometimes it's really just about what they did during the day and we're just talking. And, you know, there are a bazillion studies about how family dinner nights are great. And I just feel like it's a great time to interact with them. We talk about our day and we even do weird math things. We had this whole thing the other day with bacon. Everybody had 2 pieces. And there was how many pieces were going to be left over if we counted how many pieces there were. Oh, there were going to be 2. Well, Mommy doesn't really want her other piece, so now how many pieces are left over? We just did this whole math thing, and in order for her to get the piece, it's so horrible. Is that kind of horrible that we made her do math in order to get a piece of bacon? Does that make me a bad parent? I think it makes me a good parent because she had to work for it. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, bacon is good. You should work for bacon. So one of my other favorite things to do is my youngest, my 5-year-old, she really likes food. I mean, it sounds so weird. I mean, who doesn't like food? But she likes to cook. She likes to help make it. She really is my adventurous eater. So she likes to be in the kitchen with me. She likes to cook with me. It's just a really kind of special time that she and I get to share together.
I wish there was a video of how to make the cake that we're making right now.
The poke cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I call it the coffee cake. Let's call it a coffee cake.
Okay. You like to call all cake coffee cake, don't you?
No.
No?
Some cake that's really called chocolate cake, I call it chocolate cake.
Oh, are you calling it chocolate cake or coffee cake? Coffee cake, yes. There is really cake called coffee cake. We made one of those before. Do you remember that?
No.
Oh.
I do not.
You do not? Maybe Mommy made that one by herself. I don't remember. What are you eating? What kind of a bagel?
Maybe a Luga?
Tuca? No.
I said Luga.
Oh, Luga. No, Bialy.
Oh.
Can you say that?
Bialy.
Bialy. A Bialy. And how does it taste?
Good.
Good. And what do you have? What kind of cheese do you have on it? Do you know?
Cheese with some hummus?
Yes. That's called Havarti. You're having a Havarti cheese sandwich on a bialy bagel. From the best
Let's call it a daily cheese sandwich.
A bialy cheese sandwich, okay. And then with my oldest daughter, my number 3, I guess my number 3 favorite thing is both of my girls really like art as well. And I'm kind of artsy as well, hence I'm a craft chick. So sometimes I'll be in my office and they will just wander in, and by office I mean my craft room, and by craft room I mean my mess. They will come in and they just want to participate and they want to make things, and I just love it that they will sit there and craft while I am crafting. You know, kids just have a really great way of crafting, and they have no boundaries about that, and I just love it. So those are my 3 favorite things: family dinners, cooking with my kids, especially my youngest because she really enjoys that, and crafting with my kids, which is more, my oldest is really who likes that the most. It's where her personality really comes out. So yeah, those are my 3 favorite things. For stopping by and listening to me blab on about my 3 favorite mom things. Please check out everybody else who participated in this collab. Find somebody new, a new YouTuber to follow and subscribe to, because you never know who is in this mix. Could be the next hot thing. So not me, somebody else. I just encourage you to find somebody that that you feel like you connected with, somebody that you think is similar to you. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.